Good morning and welcome to Heritage
Builders. I'm in Vineyard Ridge this morning. We're right here on John and Joanne Colton's lot. We've got the boom truck set up. I just did a final walk down of all the forms, make sure all the rewires, chairs are all in place.
The first truck is just
Started pouring. It's just after 5 o'clock. We'll keep you updated throughout the day. I'm Jared Freeman, and I'll talk to you later.
everything's still moving.
Long time. We got all the exterior beams filled. We're working on the interior beams.
The guys are setting up their screed line so you can see some of the stakes.
Got one in the middle. The full string line across it. Put a nail in it like this on the lower mark. We're going to do the flat work.
The guys are working around the edges of the floating forms. So the floating forms are what separate your porches and your garage areas, the loader areas, and even the shower bases with these smaller forms that you see out there in the middle. And they'll work the edges of them first and get all that poured out. And then they'll do the main floor slab. Once the main floor slab's done, then these floating forms will all be removed. And then the porches will be poured. So they got to put that concrete in there first. Pretty happy with the concrete mix. They're pouring it at right around a 5 slant, which is just right. And we go to the slab now. We're on a little stronger mix. We're going to about a 4,500 PSI mix on the slab. So it's all looking real good. So as you can see, they've got the master bedroom area poured, and what that guy is doing right here is called jigger bugging, and that just takes your bigger rock, kind of pushes it down just a little bit, and pulls up a little bit of the grout to the surface for a nicer, smoother finish. And we got Chewy, he's over there on the bull float. He's putting the first smooth surface on it. And then you got Jesse over here, and he's finishing the edges, getting all them all in shape and all prettied up. So it's coming along. We got about 20 more yards of concrete to pour. We have it all poured out. We're getting very close to the end. They've got the back porch poured and screeded. And as you can see, the guy's out there on knee boards now. He's going around the garage area where the floating forms were, just shaping them, making sure they're all smoothed up and pretty. Just got a little bit left for the front porch, and then it'll just be nothing left but the finished work, which will take a good part of the rest of the day. So I just caught the boss walking on the site. I'm going to have to run around and tell everybody to get busy. Okay, so we're putting the final touches on this. Started at 5 this morning. It's 11 o'clock now. We got both power trowels rolling. We got people on knee boards finishing. Should take probably a couple more hours and it'll be completely finished.
Thanks for joining us today.
Please remember to like and subscribe to our page. We do appreciate
Appreciate that. Until next time, goodbye.